Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list for this Tuesday, January the 10th, 2023. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded 2 other Dollar General videos for you guys this week, so if you want to go and check those out, I'll have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns, and man, do we have a lot to go over. Keep in mind that this will begin tomorrow on Tuesday, January the 10th. Alright, so first up, we have our New Year's party supplies, so all the little hats and whistles and things like that for New Year's, those will be marking down to 70% off. Alright, next up we have our Christmas seasonal items. These will be marking down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. So you guys want to be on the lookout for these red price tags that I have pictured on your screen here. Now, I do have a very important question to ask of you all this week, so please let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. We basically have 2 big markdowns this week. We've got a 70% off Christmas category, and then we also have a 50% off Christmas category. And within those 2 markdowns, we have a bunch of little Christmas categories, if that makes sense. You're going to find out here in just a second. But what I'm thinking about doing is putting together 2 videos, one for the 70% off items and a second one for the 50% off items, because I have so many pictures and UPC codes and visuals for you all, but I'm afraid if I put it all into one, video like this one right here where we go over the clearance and the penny list, I think it's going to be too long. So you guys let me know what y'all think about it down in the comments. Alright, so next up we have our Christmas home decor items. So all of these items will also be going down to 70% off. So you want to be on the lookout for the green price tags. And like I said before, I do have plenty of more visuals to share with you all. I just was afraid that it was going to make this video too long. Alright, also included in our 70% off category, we have our Christmas apparel items. So things like leggings, socks, etc. And again, I will have more visuals to share with you all later on. Alright, and for our last category, going down to 70% off, we have our Christmas stationery items. So things like plates, cups, pins, etc. Again, I do have more pictures. I just didn't get to this category this week. Alright, so now we're going to move on down to our 50% off category. So starting on Tuesday, we will have all of our Christmas food items going down to 50% off. That does include the Christmas candy and Christmas baking items. And then also marking down to 50% off, we have our Christmas pet items. So things like toys, advent calendars, things like that. And again, I do have pictures to share with y'all. I just haven't had time to put them all together yet. Alright, next up we have an exciting category, but I will admit it is not as exciting as I hoped it would be. But we do have select Christmas gift sets going down to 50% off, so you guys want to be on the lookout for the purple squares on the tags. So we do have 4 hand soaps that are Christmas themed. We've got a Santa, a snowman, and 2 different Christmas trees, a green one and a pink one. Then we also have the Mickey Mouse lip balm 2 count, and also included in this category we have some face mask sets. This is a 6-piece. We have the penguin, the snowman, and the Santa face masks. And last but not least, also included in the gift sets this year, we have the nail file sets. So there are 3 of these total, and the pictures and the UPC codes are on your screen there for you. Alright, next up, another exciting category. We have our Christmas air care items going down to 50% off. So this does include Airwick, Glade, Febreze, and True Living products. Now, again, I will have more pictures, visuals, and UPC codes coming for you all soon, so make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. But also keep in mind that we do have 2 digital coupons that work with some of these air care products. So we do have that $175 off one for the Airwick products. That one doesn't expire until February. And then we also have this $3.30 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. That one doesn't expire until January the 28th. So you guys just keep that in mind, and remember that these items will continue to drop in price. All right, now while these pictures are scrolling across your screen here, I'm going to go ahead and take a quick second to just kind of chat with you all. So as you all can see, there are just a ton of pictures and visuals and UPC codes in this one little air care category. And this isn't even really a huge category. So what I'm thinking of is doing a part 1 for our 70% off items, and then a part 2 for our 50% off items, and it will just be visuals that you guys can go back and reference later on if you need to. But I'm afraid if I try to put all these visuals into like our regular clearance markdown and penny list video, I'm afraid it's going to make those videos too long. And we probably still have a couple of weeks before these items penny out. So you guys let me know what you all think about that down in the comment section below. But I also wanted to mention, if you guys will notice, that these are kind of like our name brand items. So Airwick, Febreze, Glade, and then a couple of True Living products. So remember that our regular candles that are like the DG brand, those are following the regular Christmas seasonal. So those regular candles that are not name brand will be 70% off starting on Tuesday. So you guys just keep that in mind. All right, and for our last category before we get into the penny list, we have select holiday storage items going down to 25% off. So we've got a couple of little decorative boxes. I've got the pictures and the UPC codes on your screen there for you, along with the regular price, so that you guys can kind of do the math. We've got the wreath and garland bag, as well as the gift wrap organizer. We also have one of the red top hefty totes, and that is a latching tote 32 quart. Then we also have the bow box, that's a Sterilite bow box. And then we also have the huge Sterilite 45-gallon wheeled latched tote. All right, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our new penny list. So remember that these will penny out starting on Tuesday, January the 10th. If you have a new updated system at your store with the touchscreens, they will probably penny out on Wednesday, all right? But remember, never ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is watch this video, go into your Dollar General, look for the items, and scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, because that can affect the prices sometimes, all right? Now, if these items scan at 000 or 001, that means that you have, in fact, found a penny item. So, starting on Tuesday, January the 10th, we have all of our non-core sun care items going down to just 1 penny, and it is about time. Man, these have taken forever to penny out, and we've even had some weird things going on over the last couple of weeks where these jumped back up to full price and then right back down to 90% off. So again, it is going to be very, very important that you all scan with your Dollar General app before you go up to the register to make sure that these items have pennied out. Now, I do have all of them listed on your screen here with the UPC codes and the pictures. I even found a couple of new pictures that I had forgot about that were kind of mixed in with my fall and Christmas pictures, but hopefully that will help you guys out. And then another thing that I wanted to mention is to make sure that you guys check out the expiration dates. Now, the ones that I found at my store, those did not expire until the end of 2023. I believe one was in November and one was in December of next year. So you guys just make sure that you're aware of that. Check those expiration dates before you use these products. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Like I said, stay tuned because I do have more visuals and UPC codes coming up here shortly for you all. But in the meantime, make sure that you go back and check out the 2 videos that I uploaded for you all yesterday. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.